Hello there folks, it's Neil here, and I just want to welcome you to this very quick video. I'm going to show you how you can get your own personalised lead magnet. Now the one you see in front of you is the $0 marketing budget plan, and it says by your name here, and you're going to have your name on the front cover and on the inside pages together with some more customization. If you're viewing this video and you're trying to customize or personalize another lead magnet and you don't see it's not this particular one, don't worry about it. We just use the same video for all the lead magnets that we actually personalize. It's the same format. Just use this video for any of the lead magnets that we've got. Okay, with that then, we'll just carry on then. Once you're signed up then, what you're going to be presented with is this particular form, and all I want to do now is to show you how quick and easy it is to complete the form so you get your lead magnet. So first of all, we're going to go down. We want to put your name. That can be your real name. That can be your pseudonym. Today I'll have a bit of fun, and we'll put in here James Bond III. How's that? The business name. It could be anything. Again, anything at all. Your business website, something like that, or maybe your actual business name. It doesn't actually matter. Not the URL, just the actual name itself. We'll put the name in there. So James Bond III. He's savingtheworld.com. And we scroll down, and we've got the business. Now we put the business URL in. So whatever you want this page to link to, we'll put the URL in the next page. Now, for demonstration purposes, what we're going to do today is I'm just going to link it to Google, and we'll just have a play around with that one. So this one here will link to that one there. This link will go to savingtheworld.com. Okay, the next one then is the product URL. This is your opportunity to promote your own product or to earn commissions from products that you are an affiliate for. So all we're looking for here then is the link to your product or to your affiliate product. Just pop the full URL in there with the HTTPS. As with the business URL, we must have the HTTPS in there as well. So we got the HTTPS and then whatever goes after that. Okay, finally then we're going to put your email address in. And as it says here, it will not be used for marketing purposes. It's purely there for you to be able to receive the lead magnet. Okay, so what we're going to do, we'll click on submit. Off it goes. It says thank you, your details have been processed and your personalised report is being sent to the email address you gave in the form. So let's go across to our inbox then. See if it's come up. Nothing's come up yet. Let's have a refresh. There we are, it's just come up now. Your personalised document is attached. So there we go. Hi, James Bond III. Right, and then we've got a bit of an insight. And then as we look on the attachment, we've got the attachment is going to be your lead magnet. So let's go through it then. So yeah, first of all, we see by James Bond III. So it's going to be by you, whatever your name is going to be there. Again, a signature on the inside, and savingtheworld.com is going to be the business address. We click on that. We said we were going to send it to Google, and sure enough, it goes directly across to Google. Let's scroll down through the document. First of all, you can see that my name is James Bond III. That's in the first paragraph, just introducing yourself as to who you are and what you're here to do. And you can go all the way through then the document, and in there, at appropriate points, you're going to have the link to whatever link it is that you put on the form. So in here, and consider elevating your strategy with this insight. Now here, it's going to click on the here, and that's going to go across there, and as it did with mine, it's going to go to my product. Like I said, it's goes to your product, your own product, or to your affiliate product. Now we haven't flooded the document with links. You've got one there. I think there's about 4 altogether from memory. We'll go through it, and there's another one there. As we scroll through, there's another one there, and I know there's a last one on the check sheet, on the very last effort on the check sheet. So we've got the four links to your product or to your affiliate product. And that's it, folks. All you have to do now is to save the document, download the document, save it, and then, of course, get it distributed out there, build your list, earn commissions or sales of your own product, and I wish you all the very best.